Hi, my name is Dave. In this video, I'll be taking a closer look at how I've achieved a 80% gain in AAPL within 8 days. Let's have a look at the chart of AAPL. In this play, I would like to enter into a neutral bullish play as the stock has entered into an extended sell-off. No one can predict if the selling will continue for a few more days. Thus, I've decided to place a broken wing butterfly at a level that is well below the previous low. Previous low is at $150. I've placed my position much lower and the break-even price for my trade is at $144. Entry is on 6 February with exit on 14 February. In summary, this is a neutral bullish trade that has entry price of 33 cents credit and exit price of 7 cents. Understanding the stock movement and utilizing the suitable strategy creates the success in this trade. A nice 80% gain for this trade within 8 days. Let's take a quick look at the live statement of this trade. Entry date is 6 February with exit on 14 February. Entry price is 33 cents credit with exit price of 7 cents. This trade has achieved a 80% gain within 8 days. Thanks for watching this video. You can watch more free videos at WhaleTrades.com.